Hi there, welcome. Today we're going to make an exercise on how to become a faster drawer, because isn't that what we all want? You need a stack of paper, some pencils, maybe a eraser. You also need a timer and some sort of a model. I use a wooden doll, but you can also use your right or left hand, depending on which hand you're used to paint with. So start by putting your timer to 1 minute. 3, 2, 1, lift off. And now for your task. You're supposed to paint your object, hand, wooden draw in under a minute. And I want you to remember to get the whole object on the paper, in which, in my case, don't forget to put the feet there. And when you're done, do it all again. Put your timer to 1 minute and start drawing. What you also should remember in this exercise is there's no pressure. You don't have to make a beautiful drawing or perfect in any way. You can just throw it away and you're done with it. And you don't have to show anybody. So here I am doing like my fourth, and sometimes I change how the model is standing because it makes it more fun. And when you choose your object to draw, I think it's the best thing you can do is choose something that has the same proportions, but you can arrange them. So here are my first 3 that I did on 1 minute, and here's my last 4. As you can see, there's been quite some improvement. Now put your timer to 2 minutes instead and start drawing the same object. I think that you notice that now you have a whole 2 minutes to do the drawing, when your mind and your hand is used to only 1 minute. That's double the time, and you will already experience that you are faster at drawing. Now we're all warmed up, so this time you should put your timer to 5 minutes. And here we go. 5 minutes becomes a really long time. And before you started this exercise, 5 minutes was nothing to do a drawing, right? So here we go. This is sort of the reward for doing this. And this exercise I recommend you to do every day before starting any projects. Even though you don't have time for projects, you can do this one really quick and easy and keep those spirits flowing. Just for fun, I'm doing another one for 5 minutes. When you're in art school, you often you do this exercise often, but then you have a naked model, and that is what I would prefer, but there's not lots of naked models running around in my neighborhood, so I'll make do with what I got. And as I said, this is not my best painting ever, and I would not frame this on the wall, but it serves a great purpose. Here's my first one, 1 minute, and this is my last 5 minutes. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please leave a comment, thumbs up or down, and if you want something special that you would like to see, tell me. Have a nice day. Bye!